3 cooks into 1 finale will not go. 30 minutes left on the clock, so get your act together, guys.
You know what? Never mind, never mind.
The pasta is not working. And I don't really have a lot of time left. So I don't know if I can even plate anything up. I'm very scared to fail.
How are you going? You okay? Okay, come on, come on. Stop, 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 stop. Deep breath in.
You still have time. This is kind of dead. Let's start from scratch again. Get it to the right texture. You know what it needs to feel like, so just do it. Okay? All right. Good girl.
Oh no. Is she okay?
For someone like Jen to have such a complex way of thinking about food, to be working with such simple ingredients, this is probably tough for her.
Guys, we asked for your heart. We asked for your soul. Give us everything you've got now. You've got 10 minutes to go. Push, push, push.
I just have to push on.
I'm definitely gonna persevere to the end.
Shams, I know what you've given me here.
Sorry, Zander.
It's glutinous rice, guys. I mean, you know exactly what the consistency's like. A little bit concerned about the rice. It wasn't the rice that I was hoping for. I cover it with coconut milk, and I slowly cook it through. So what I'm going for is a sticky coconut rice.
Zander.
Hi, Chef.
Okay, is that your rice? Can I have a taste of that?
Yes,
Have you tasted it?
I have, but it's not quite where I want it to be right now. 5 minutes ago, I'm still working on all the flavors on my curry as well as my rice. How can I kind of make it all come together? I'm still gonna have to work that out.
I like my beef medium rare, so I'm hoping that it will be medium rare.
You're down to your final 10 seconds. Get everything on that plate. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. Well done. We certainly pulled the rug from underneath you with that swap.
Everyone's fate once again lies in the food in front of you. The first dish we'd like to taste belongs to Zander.
I'm looking down at my dish and I'm feeling good about it. I'm happy with the flavors in there, but I just hope it's gonna get me through. I've done a Thai green curry with portobello mushrooms and salad, coriander, marinated rack of lamb, a Thai fluffy omelette, and then as well as glutinous rice with coconut.
Makes a lot of sense together. I want to know,
Yeah.
is that lamb cooked? Ooh, blushing. Yeah. Let's see what kind of flavor this holds. That was a kick in my mouth of flavor.
Thank you, Chef.
If you had gone home from the supermarket with someone else's shopping, just what you come up with?
What? Seeing what I have in there, going with it,
A
yes.
woman would marry you, you know, Zander. The salad, I'm so glad you tasted it. Now, we have a new curry on our hands, right?
Great, yes.
Zander's salad green curry. Well done, Zander.
It wasn't at all what I planned to make today, but with those ingredients, just came together and I'm just happy that they like it.
You did Rempah Queen proud.
It's from your basket, that's why.
The next dish we would like to taste is from Sham Sudha.
Walking up to the judges, I'm thinking that, I would have loved my beef to be a bit more pink. But no regrets, because I came up with something that hasn't been tried before. For my main course, I have my sous vide beef with spice of velouté, some deep-fried shimeji mushrooms, garnishes of shallots, and yam chips.
And the dessert, a play on bubur terigu with some edible foil.
Shams, I like the effort that you put into plating for an amateur cook. How good is this? This is a very thin piece of steak.
Yeah.
How long did you sear it in the pan?
Barely 4 minutes.
You know that you can cook a steak from scratch in 4 minutes? I think you might have cooked this twice, which is why it's, as you know, overcooked. But I love the crispy elements, the level of interest you put in here. I don't love this. It's got this ketchup-y sort of sweetness. Let's hope I love this. Wow. Look at how silky that is. I want to feed this to babies all around the world. Right level of sweetness. So smooth.
I actually understand where you were trying to go with this dish. You were trying to elevate it, try new techniques, because it shows growth, right? But today, the sauce just doesn't have any sambal resemblance. And I'm gutted, because that pot that you were cooking off with the sambal, it smelt amazing. But none of that has come through in this dish. Anyway, on the positive note, this, I think you've achieved all the flavors. So this gives me some relief. Thank God for this.
Thank you so much, Jess.
At this point in the competition, you can't afford to make mistakes. And I might have made a mistake that cost my position in the final two.
The last dish is from Jen.
I do not have very high hopes. Maybe it's a miracle if I don't get out.
This looks like something that crashed down to earth. What did you do for us today?
I just did a crispy ravioli with creamy cashew nut filling and the dark chocolate ganache, tart with creme fraiche and Sichuan pepper.
I hope the flavors can save you today. You have Italian blood.
It's really good, Jen.
Thank you.
It's really good.
Sorry, it's not pretty.
For me, presentation is not as important as taste. Just like the Rolls Royce on Mars bars. Well done, Jen. It's very good.
Thank you.
Have you heard of the word moreish?
Yes.
Means you want more and more and more. The pasta is crisp. You fried it in butter, which added bags of flavor. You've put lemon zest, which is such a smart thing to do because it brightens it up. You could have just called this Jen's chocolate mess. It's good. They had a nice spice from the Sichuan peppercorn. You gave us a very balanced dish with a set of ingredients that did not look balanced at all. Damn well done.
Thank you, Chef. Surprise, surprise! I like my dish. It's